Chicken macaroni. Grams of chicken, 1 cup of macaroni, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped capsicum and 1 chopped carrot. One chopped tomato. Salt as per taste, 1 tsp of red chili powder, 1 tsp of turmeric powder and 1 tsp of black pepper powder of soya sauce, 1 tsp of red chili sauce, 1 tsp of vinegar, 1 tsp of tomato ketchup, 1 tsp of oregano, 1 tsp of red chili flakes. Heat saucepan and add 1 liter of water. Add some salt and 1 tsp of oil. Add macaroni. Cover and cook on high flame for 8–10 minutes. Stir in between. Macaroni is cooked well. Strain from water and keep aside. Add 2 tsps of oil in same pan and add chicken. Stir and cook for 2–3 minutes. Add chopped onion. Mix and cook on medium to high flame. Add dry ingredients. Mix them well. Add vinegar and soya sauce. Add red chili sauce. Give a nice mix. Add chopped carrot and capsicum. Stir fry. Add half cup of water in which macaroni is boiled. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Chicken is soft and cooked well. Add chopped tomato. Cook for 2–3 minutes. Add boiled macaroni. Mix it nicely with chicken mixture. Add red chili flakes and oregano. Add tomato ketchup. Mix them well. Chicken macaroni is done. Turn off flame. Time to serve hot chicken macaroni. Tasty and yummy chicken macaroni is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook. Thanks for watching.